In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Brave browser into your MacBook with the Apple Silicon, which are M1, M2 or the newest version. So for that, you just have to open the default browser, which is Safari. So you can just find the Safari by just going to this launchpad and search for Safari. So this will open the Safari and search for download Brave browser. And so just go to this first link from brave.com. And here you can see the download option for Mac OS. So just click here. So this should start downloading the installer for Mac OS. So once this package is downloaded, so let me just go into the Finder, and so this is downloaded in the downloads folder. So let me just double click onto this package and just click on continue, install, and enter the password of your Mac and just click on OK. So here you can see the installation is successful. So let me just close and move the installer into the trash. And if I just go into the launchpad and search for the Brave browser, so now this should open the Brave browser. So let me just close everything from here. So the Brave browser is opening here. And if you want to set this as a default browser, so you just can click on the set Brave as default browser. Otherwise you can just click on the skip. So I will click skip, and you can just choose the dark theme or light mode as well. Just click on next and just click on finish. And let me just close this too from here. So you can see, so this is how you can install the Brave browser. So you can just now sign in with the Gmail, and you can start browsing on the Brave browser, which is the most secure browser. So thank you so much for watching. If you like the video, be sure to like, share and subscribe. I will see you in the next one.